Good evening. Today is Wednesday, time in Sydney, Australia. Right now, as you can see on the corner here, is 11:34 p.m. Date is 2nd of the August 2023. I'm going to talk fast because I don't want to waste your time and make this video very short. Before I say anything, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer. Last night I made the announcement for the pound USD and I said market is heading up. This is part 2 that I'm going to upload soon. If you are interested to know how I did or what I said, you can watch this part 1. As you can see here, 1 day ago I uploaded and I mentioned where pound USD is heading. So in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer before I go to the chart again, because it's very important. This is only education and information side. We are not responsible for your gain or loss. I go to the chart and I show you this. As you can see, the prediction I said in this section or this buying zone, market is going to go hit the TP1, hit the TP2 and hit the TP3. So it's all done, finished. Alright, I was correct. Now I'm going to show you something right in front of your eyes. The price is here. As you can see, this one is live chart, is not offline. I believe I show you this. I mentioned this before. Let me delete all this because it's all done, finish. All right. All done. Sorry, I should have done this one before, but I wanted to show you guys. Okay. Now let me delete this one as well. Okay, this is hidden support and resistance in past, that the indicator that we have, my partner developed, give us the hidden support and resistance in the past, and also give us the signal like this green arrow or red arrow to buy or to sell according to level that the software gives us. So this is unique indicator that we have, and is only 2 indicator we use. And I show you this now. When we have this one, I put the, just change the color for my reference, that I always use this color, because we have different strategy for different markets, so that's why I choose the color. So as you can see, this is horizontal line I put. The price, if it goes, it has to go above this horizontal line which already went up, okay, and then has to come past through this line. And now if I get any red dot, okay, around this buying zone, or get green arrow, I can buy it to this level. I give you the level I'm interested. This is going to be our TP1 and this is going to be our TP2. Let me give you the level as well. So TP1 would be this and TP2 would be this, okay. But we have to wait. We have to wait for red dot in this area of the buying zone or green arrow, then we can buy it to this level, TP1, TP2. Again, 70% of the time when market hit the TP1, it look like a rubber band. It would reject and fail and goes opposite way, and then eventually goes up again, okay. So this is the new level for you guys. I'm waiting for the red dot or green arrow in this buying zone area. If you watch my video 9 days ago, this is part 1 for the Bitcoin. 9 days ago I mentioned where the Bitcoin is heading. If you don't believe me, I make you part 1, part 2, part 3, even part 4, and I explain everything about the Bitcoin since 9 days ago. Alright, let me go to my profile and I show you what happened to the Bitcoin. Just 1 second, I'm gonna come back. Okay, I come back 9 days ago. I mentioned that Bitcoin is heading up to this level, this yellow line, 29,724. You have to watch those forecasts 9 days ago, part 1, part 2, part 3. And as you can see, we went very close to it. And I have said to you before, we put this red line because we had first arrow here. So, and we had this red dot we put as a stop loss virtually, and then I explained to you if you hit the stop loss, how you can recover your loss and plus you get a profit. And as you can see here, all this going to be new support and things like that, and you can enter to the market. And now it hit this level. As I have mentioned before, 9 days ago I explained to you and I said to you where the Bitcoin is heading. Okay, let me take this one for my reference. Okay, this one done, finish this one. Thanks God, my prediction was right. Okay, so in the name of who, please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer before I go. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. I'm gonna close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done, finish.